Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil filter on a Fiat 500. First, gather your tools: a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, and safety glasses. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more easily. Safely lift the front of your car using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it to catch all the used oil. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let the oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which is typically a canister-style filter on the Fiat 500. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal and makes future removal easier. Hand tighten the new filter until snug. Finally, it's time to add fresh oil. Consult your owner's manual for the correct type and amount of oil for your Fiat 500. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. After adding, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Start the engine for a minute to circulate the oil, then recheck for any leaks around the filter and drain plug. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.